Why do we sneeze? It feels so weird, right? Let's find out. It all starts with this little troublemaker. This is Dusty, the dust particle, and he loves to sneak into your nose.
When Dusty starts tickling, this little guy, Twitch the Nerve, totally freaks out.
That signal goes straight to the boss, Brian the Brain. And Brian does not like uninvited guests. So Brian gives the order to Gus the Lungs. Gus is the muscle, and he gets ready for the big one. Gus lets all that air out. F-A-S-T.
And that's how a sneeze works. It's your nose's super fast cleaning system. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, share with your friends.